Hey, welcome back. Just got a quick video here to discuss an option in the Skyline OS that maybe some people aren't familiar with, and hopefully this will help you if you're looking for this on your bike. Let's get into it. Okay, so the whole reason for this video today is I had seen on one of the groups that I'm on that someone they thought their bike was overheating and they didn't know how to check the engine temperature to see if it really was overheating or not. So I'm just gonna do a quick reference video to show you those steps in case there's others out there that don't know how to get to this. It's really simple, and realistically you'd be on the bike riding somewhere, but since we're in my garage, I'm just gonna do it by holding the trip button down and powering up the infotainment center that way. And we'll let that power up, and I'll show you the steps on how to do that. Okay, infotainment's all powered up, and you can see that I am in cruise mode on my layout on my display. So what you'll need to do is either go to touring or to sport mode, and you can do that by hitting the menu button, settings button, display, layout, and change it from cruise to sport or touring. We're just going to do sport because it's right here. And then over here on the right, you can see there's a widget there that's got some information, your ride info. The top left thermometer there, 84 degrees, is the ambient outside temperature, and the bottom right is the internal engine temperature. So I had this running just a little while ago. It's cooled down a lot, but now it's still at 93 degrees. So that's the quickest way to check your engine temperature on the bike if you're ever concerned while you're riding. And of course, those controls are all up here on the hand grips too if you don't want to touch the screen while you're driving. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Hopefully that helps. You know, these new bikes, there's a lot of stuff that we still don't know what's going to happen. We still have no idea if there's other bugs out there, and I know some people have had some pretty crazy stuff happen. So this is just another way to help you keep an eye on things. Thanks again for stopping by and watching the video. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so and help us get to 5,000 by the end of the year. We're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers. Leave us a comment. Let us know if there's any other functions that you have found that maybe somebody else didn't know about. We can talk about those or put another video up or whatever. As always, down in the description, check out the links for some of these awesome accessories I put on this bike. I found some really good, high quality stuff on Amazon that doesn't cost near what the Harley Davidson stuff costs. So take a look down there, check it out. I do have some other things coming, and I'll do some installs once they get here. And we'll see you on the next one. Y'all ride safe.